Stand by. Over.
Roger that. Waiting on a clear signal. Out.
This is the dispatcher. Please hold. Over.
Okay. Waiting on a clear signal. Out.
Dispatcher here. Hold your position. Over.
Roger. Let me know when I'm clear. Out.
Dispatcher here. Hold your position. Over.
Yes, sir. Waiting on a clear signal. Out.
Dispatcher here. Hold your position. Over.
Roger that. Sit tight. Out.
One thing about trains. It doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. Well, you coming?
Do you know what kind of train this is? It's a magic train.
Sometimes seeing is believing.
I want to.
What, except please? Why, to the North Pole, of course. All aboard! This is the Polar Express.
I've wanted to do that my whole life.
That is some special thing. I am king of the North Pole! This is the Polar Express. There is the North Pole. Get us the blazing out of here! This is official. It's a genuine ticket to ride. Seeing is believing.
It's a magic train.
Just remember, the true spirit of Christmas lies in your heart.